How to delete your CoinMarketCap account. Let's go ahead and start the video. Go ahead and open CoinMarketCap on your device. Once you open it, it's quite easy to delete your account. Go ahead and click on your profile icon on the top right hand corner. Then tap on Settings. After you go to Settings, scroll a bit down and under Account Settings is Delete Account. Tap on Delete Account and click on this box over here. Check the box below and you can continue, and your request will be processed within 28 days. So go ahead and click on Confirm, but make sure that all of the data has been recovered, because if you delete it, you will not be getting it back. So go ahead and tap on Confirm. Once you're there, go ahead and tap on Open Email. So after you tap on Open Email, you can just go ahead and tap on the mail sent to you by the app CoinMarketCap. So go ahead and copy the code, or you can just go ahead and tap on the icon. Once you do that, your account deletion process will be completed, authorized, and then you can easily delete your account. So once you do that, just go ahead and do this. So there will also be an option of entering the verification code from your Gmail. Just go ahead and copy the code if you want, and then you can easily delete it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.